Hi everyone, welcome to FX Empire. My name is Jitan Sananki and today we're going to be talking about eToro. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video, and additionally if you do have any questions or comments you can list them in the comment section below. eToro was actually founded in 2007 and is authorized and regulated around the world through its different subsidiaries. This includes regulation from the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, the UK Financial Conduct Authority and the Australian Securities and Investments Commission. The broker actually offers a wide amount of different services and products and is feature rich, and we'll be going through the different services and products such as their trading platform as we go through this review. As we can see here at the top in the home page, eToro provides the ability to access copy trading service, which is actually one of the most popular services. You can actually see that at the bottom, their social trading has a community of over 10 million users where you can follow other traders and investors. You can also build crypto portfolios on eToro, trade CFDs as well, access professional accounts. As we can see here in top markets, you can actually trade a wide variety of different asset classes such as cryptocurrencies, stocks, commodities and currencies and many others. eToro also provides investing services, and users can actually invest in stocks with 0% commission, as well as access ready-made copy portfolios, become a popular investor as well. And they also provide access to a wide amount of different educational resources and trader research tools. They have a trading school here, video tutorial, a daily market review, news and analysis, podcast, and many other features that we'll have a look at as we develop. Of course, one of the most important things with any type of broker is safety of funds. And as we can see here, eToro protects funds by keeping client funds in segregated accounts and employing high cybersecurity standards and being a multi-regulated platform with regulation from the FCA, CySEC and the Australian Securities and Investments Commission. All of these licenses can actually be checked on the regulator's register, as we can see here via the FCA register. eToro UK Limited is an authorized entity. Trading fees with eToro is actually very competitive. As we can see here, they lay it out all quite nicely and transparently on their webpage. We can see stocks and ETFs actually incur zero commissions with no management fees or rollover fees, ticket or additional brokerage fees. We can also see here on cryptos the different fees here as well and the different spread amounts. And we can also see here the fees for CFDs, okay, and the spreads here for different currency pairs, which is all highlighted here, as well as commodities, indices, stock CFDs as well. So nice to have all of that transparent information here. It also highlights any potential fees for CopyTrader. So you can see with CopyTrader, when you're using that, there are no extra fees or hidden costs. CopyPortfolios as well, so ready-made portfolios, no management fees or any kind of commission. And there's also some general fees here as well. And as we can see here, no deposit fees, but there are some withdrawal fees and conversion fees depending on what you're funding your account in terms of currency. So nice to have that transparent information when choosing your broker. Okay, so here we have the feature-rich eToro trading platform. As we can see here on the left-hand side, there's the ability to access a lot of different services and products. So users can access a watch list feature here. And this is basically a watch list. You can create your own watch list of different markets that you want to follow. And it gives us a lot of valuable information such as sentiment and the change, as well as a small chart here. And you can just keep on building your different watch list. You can change the view over here as well on the far right hand side for those type of customizations, and also look at settings as well and just adjust things. So really great to have that sort of customizability of the trading platform. Users can also access the news feed as well. So this is a news feed of their social trading community, which is one of the largest in the world. And people can actually search at the top here. So for example, you could search for people or markets. So we could search for Apple here, for example. And you can see there's a bit of information on the right hand side regarding what it's about, you know, different followers here of this stock, and we can see related markets at the bottom, different investors. If we go up a little bit more, there's some stats as well for the company, which is great when you're doing your own research analysis. Okay, always great to have that. We also have access to a chart and also research for live account holders as well. So nice clean functionality when searching for different markets. And users have a lot of different options here on the left hand side. So clicking on trade markets, for example, opens up a whole list of different markets available to trade with. So you can see stocks here at the top. And if you click on that, you can explore stocks by industry, by exchange as well. So global stocks from the US, Europe, and elsewhere. And you can actually click on view all from London or technology, different categories. And it's all laid out quite nicely here. And you can do the same thing for any of the markets. So they've got ETFs here, cryptos, indices, commodities, currencies as well. Okay, for currency traders. So by clicking on one of these, it opens up into a new page, okay? And this actually then opens up into a very clean looking chart, as we can see, which provides different functionalities. So there's an Etoro Pro Chart. So at the top here, you can access the settings, okay? You can change your different colors. You can see the type here. You've got candlesticks, Heikin-Ashi, Renko, and you can change the different time frames, the chart type as well, bars, lines, mountains. You can add on different tools, okay? Accessing different drawing tools like Fibonacci, horizontal levels, and a wide amount of different indicators available to put onto the chart as well. You can also compare this instrument with other instruments, and you can also adjust the time zone. So, very simple to use, nice clean functionality here on these charts. And you can also trade directly from here as well. You've got the buy button here, the sell button at the top, and by just clicking the buy button, you can see here this opens up with a trading ticket, and users can either set an order or a live trade, and you can actually adjust your unit size, okay, and your amount that you want to trade on, okay. You can do it by amount as well, or units. It tells you your stop loss, your take profit, the leverage as well, if there is leverage available on the type of product you're trading. So this is a CFD here. It also gives you some good information here at the bottom. So what the overnight fees would be to hold trades overnight on CFD trades, as well as a weekend as well. So, nice clean functionality there, nice, simple to use. And if we just open that trade, just for example, that's been opened. So now if we go back to the portfolio tab here on the left hand side, you can see that trade has been opened. And this is all laid out quite nicely, where you can sort of look at your portfolio, your deposits, your fees, and so on, any markets that you're trading on, any orders that you have any pending as well. And then users can actually do different things here, view charts, write a new post for the social trading community, open up a new trade, or simply close this, okay? And that will just close the trade. So, really, really simple to use, great functionality. On the left-hand side, there's even more features as well. Users can access the copy trading feature and copy other traders, and you can search from different countries, and so many different countries here from traders that you can follow. You can have a look at different markets, okay, and select different markets, how much a portfolio has gained during a certain period of time, and that applies the different filters that you can search for. So great to find, something that works, for the individual. Everyone's got a different risk tolerance, and these filters are great to find out what works for you. And you can see here, you hover over, different sort of profiles for the different investors available. You've got the most copied, the trending, the top investors, the one with the lowest risk score, medium risk score. So, really great functionality. If we just click on one of these as an example, okay, it provides some commentary. You can see the statistics for this person's, historical trading activity. Yeah. What's in the portfolio as well. Okay. So lots of different stocks here, and access, charts from this point as well. So that's really simple to use. We also have CopyPortfolios within this Etoro trading platform, as we can see here. And these are just ready-made investment products. So this is basically like market copy portfolios built around a certain ideal performance metric. So as you can see here, if you click on the gaming industry, if you click on this one, then this is basically a portfolio, okay, with all the different gaming related stocks. All right. So that's always quite useful. You can check the portfolio here and the allocation. Or under stats here, you can actually see the different stocks that are actually involved. In this, you can also have a look at the performance of that portfolio over the past few years, and how many investors are actually invested into it right now. So, nice transparency there. And there's also other features as well. The eToro Club, deposit and withdrawal sections. And Etoro also provide access to different educational materials, which if you go back to the home screen, they've got education, news, analysis, podcasts, a trading school as well, which is always useful. So classroom-based trading, webinars as well. To access customer service, they have a dedicated customer service center, and you can visit the help center, which is a list of all frequently asked questions, or open up a trading ticket and choose what your question is regarding. So this is one of the best ways to actually access customer service. They do have a live chat feature, but it's not available in all countries just yet. Okay, so let's have a look at the Etoro mobile trading app. So here we have the Etoro mobile trading app available on both Android and iOS operating devices. As we can see here, the first screen is the My Watch List section. So it's exactly the same as the web-based platform, and users can actually create their own watch list here and, filter out and create different settings. If we scroll down, we can see different markets available to trade on. If we go to the settings icon here at the top, we can actually see here we've got access to the same features: watch list, portfolio, news feed, access to trade at different markets, copy people, invest in copy portfolios, access to Etoro Club, and many other settings. So if we click on like news feed, for example, this provides a news feed of different commentary from different people regarding different asset classes, but users can search for specific news feeds, okay, on a specific market. So it might be, British pound, for example, GBP. Let's click on GBP USD. And as you can see here, the different commentary here regarding British pound against the US dollar. And, from here, users can access more information regarding that asset class, such as the previous statistics here, and also go on to look at charts as well and go to a trading ticket. So nice functionality here on this mobile trading app. And if we go back as well, we can actually click on trade, for example, and this opens up a trading ticket, and then users can adjust their settings for the amounts via units or amount. It tells you your exposure, again, only overnight fees, weekend fees as well, if you're trading on CFDs. So nice and transparent. If we click on open trade there, for example, and that has been an open trade, so user can select other markets here to trade on as well. You go to like Apple, just as an example, click on trade, and again, this shows you that this here is you're buying the underlying asset, so it's commission free, okay, with no leverage. So it tells you what your exposure is, how many units. So very simple to use. And if we go back, for example, and go back to the different settings that we actually have available to us, we can go to the portfolio, and then we can also manage trades from here as well. Simply by clicking the settings icon, we can open a new trade, view the chart, or simply close it, okay. So really simple to use and feature rich as well. And that really wraps up this FX Empire review of Etoro. We hope you found it to be of value and wish you all the best in your trading.